Hi, this video is part of my complete Helm course. The link is in the description of this video, so make sure to give a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss any updates, subscribe to the channel. That being said, let's get started. Alright, we have a minimally working Helm chart. I admit it's not the best or most complex chart, but my goal here is to take you through the entire process. In later sections in the course, we will also discuss more advanced goal templating features as well as best practices when creating our Helm charts, and we'll definitely also implement more complex setups. But for now, let's move forward here because now I would like to take you through the process of packaging and publishing your chart. We can already confirm with Helm template, and let's then run here past the Nginx directory. We can confirm that our chart is being correctly generated with the intended values. We can also confirm that Helm lint Nginx here returns no errors, even though it mentions please add an icon here, but I don't really have an icon for our chart. I'm just going to skip that. And we can also confirm that installing our Helm install local Nginx, and I did not uninstall the previous one, so let's just go with uninstall here, local Nginx. We can also confirm that installing our chart here results in the intended resources being created. So if we get the deployment, service, and pod and replica set as well, then we can confirm here that we have a deployment, we have the created Nginx service here, we have the pods, and we have the replica set. Let's then uninstall here just so that I don't forget. So Helm uninstall local Nginx like so. And we can then package this chart. So if we have a look at the Helm package command and we ask for a little bit of help here, then we will see that this command is intended towards packaging a chart into a versioned chart archive file. So you will see here that we have to provide a path that would be just the Nginx folder. We just need to provide a path for a valid Helm chart or for a valid folder from the perspective of the chart structure. We also have the possibility of signing a chart if we wish to do so. Let's then clear the console here and let's run the Helm package Nginx command. And you will see here that it will inform us successfully package the chart and save it to our Nginx tar file here. Let's expand here and you will see that we have the Nginx tar file here. Let's just collapse the Nginx folder. And you will also see that this file here, it contains the chart version. If we open the chart.yaml here, you will see that's the version. And if we were to now increase, let's say we bump the patch version here, and we run the Helm package Nginx once again, it will create a second Nginx package, and that will include the new version here. So whenever we package a certain Helm chart, it does include the version that we include here in our chart.yaml. And that's great because we can then definitely keep track of which archive file here refers to which version of our chart. I just undid the changes for the version here, and I'm going to delete the new file because we don't really have any changes there. But the bottom line here is that this file, this tar file here, is everything we need to actually install the chart. We can confirm that by running the command helm install local-nginx, but now instead of passing our Nginx directory, let's just pass our tar file. That's going to be nginx-0.1.0.tgz like so. And the moment we do that, no problem, everything is installed and everything here with kubectl will stay the same, right? So just deploying everything here, same thing as before. What we have just created is a portable artifact that we can share with anybody, and that can be used to install our Helm chart. And that's amazing. So in the next steps, I would like to create a GitHub repository and then upload this here and make this available via GitHub pages so that we can reference this remotely. But before that, let's take a short break. So we're going to uninstall our local Nginx. Let's just make sure we have a clean instance here. Let's now take a short break and let's come back in the next lecture to continue with the process of publishing our chart.